practice drawing our own stitch. This is the Makisode YouTube channel. Today we want to draw the Trinity stitch. Alright, so here goes. We're essentially supposed to start with an even number of chains. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That last chain will probably be somewhere here, because after that we're going to single crochet into this stitch, right? And then we're going to single crochet 3 together, starting from here. So it should look something like this, right? And then we're going to chain 1. The chain has to be sizable because you're going to walk into these chains when you come back around. And then we're going to after the chain, we single crochet 3 together again, starting from here, this particular one. So it's going to look something like this, and then the chain, and then we have 2 chains left. But since we're going to be starting from here, it is not a problem. So after this, what you do is single crochet again into here. Yeah, that's essentially your row 1. Yeah, so for row 2 you will chain here, chain and turn your work. All right, first thing you're going to do is to single crochet here. Yes, that's true. Single crochet there, and then single crochet 3 together, starting from this one. So you're going to end somewhere here. You're going to end it in that your chain from the previous row, right? And then you chain, of course, and then another single crochet 3 together, chain, another single crochet 3 together to end here, right? And then you single crochet again into this last part, chain to turn. When you turn, as usual, you will single crochet in there, right? And then single crochet like this to end here, chain, right? Single crochet in that place to end here. These are 3 together. Don't forget that this sign like this means single crochet 3 together. This one here represents a chain, while this one right here, let me put it up here, represents a single crochet stitch. So let's finish up this row. A chain, yeah, chain, and then a single crochet 3 together, and last single crochet. I have successfully worked 3 rows. So you're going to continue this for how long you want it and how wide you want it. How wide you want it will depend on measurements. You know, even though I used an illustration of just 8 stitches, this can go for as long as 100 stitches or more, depending on what it is you want to do. So yeah, now I'm gonna get to work. Let's see how this actually pans out in real life. See you soon. Hello, Makisode YouTube channel here again. We are back to work the actual Trinity stitch. We drew a paper illustration on how it works. So this time around we want to craft it so you get to see what we said. So we said we're going to work even number of chains. For this illustration I'm going to work, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If you're making a placemat, coaster, or dishwash cloth, as you like to call it, you can make it up to, you can extend your chain to measure about 6 to 8 inches, depending on how you feel, right? 6 inches is the minimum, and then 8 inches is normal, and it could be more depending on how big your hands are. All right, so we're going to be working from our second chain from the hook. crochet in here, right? Single crochet. Then I'm going to single crochet 3 together, starting from the stitch I just came out from. So I pick up a loop here, pick up another loop here, and pick up my last loop here. I should have 4 loops on my hook, then I pick up a loop and pull through all. Then I'm going to chain, albeit really loosely, because I'm going to be walking into this chain when I come around to the next row. And then I'm going to single crochet 3 together again. And as usual, I'll start from the stitch that I just came out of. So pick up a loop, pick up a loop, insert the hook, pick up a loop, 4 as usual, and then I pass through all and chain again. As usual, from the stitch I just came out of, pick up a loop, insert, pick up a loop, insert, pick up a loop, 4, chain, from the same stitch, pick up a loop, insert, pick up a loop, insert, pick up a loop, right? And we continue this until the end of the row. Thus, go on, pick up a loop, pick up a loop. But just keep going, pick up a loop, and hopefully you're watching what my hands are doing. Now at the end you should have 2 stitches left. But since you're going to be crocheting 3 together, single crochet 3 together from here, it's just fine. So pick up my loop again, I pick up my loop, and I pick up the last loop, right? Go through all. Now this time around I do not need to chain. What I actually have to do here is single crochet 1 to end this row and tie and close up that single crochet 3 together. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clusters in there. So to get to the next row, I'm gonna have to chain as usual, and then single crochet into that first the last single crochet stitch from the previous row. Now that whole process is going to continue, meaning I'm going to single crochet 3 together, starting from the stitch I just came out of. So I pick up my loop here. This is the stitch. This is the single crochet 3 together from the previous row, and then this is the chain stitch from the previous row. If we had worked it too tight, I probably would not have been able to insert my hook. So I create my single crochet 3 together and then chain. As usual, I continue. Pick up my loop here and here and together. Oops. Okay, I have to do it again. So 1, 2, and 3. Then put it all together. Right? 1 in the same place you just came out of. 2 and 3. Right? And chain. 1, 2, and 3. And chain. 1 from there. 2, 3. See, like I said, you have 2 stitches left. So 1, 2, and 3. And then do not forget to single crochet to end the row. Chain and turn your work. Get that beautiful starlight looking stitch. This is for when you do not want to yarn over and have too many loops on your hook. Yeah, so basically a lazy person's star stitch. So yeah, well, I'm gonna work this for a few more rows, and then I'll meet you all up when I think it's beautiful enough to maybe form something. Yeah, so see you back here soon, but keep practicing. Yeah, And then you can tag me up. Do not forget to like and place a nice comment, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also suggest videos you would like to watch, maybe stitches you'd like to learn, or a technique you'd like to learn, or a garment you'd like to learn how to make. You can suggest those to me in the comment section, and I'll get right back to guiding on creating a video on that. So see you back here shortly when I have made something worthy to be called a placemat. Yeah. Okay, so here goes this very beautiful stitch texture. Looks the same with front or at the back. So either way, you can use either side as your right side to still look this beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you'll be back to watch other stitch guides as we go along. Bye for now. Like I said, like, subscribe, tell your friend to tell your friend.